Today, we're making something that smells just incredible. It's a fragrant, village-style grilled fish. So simple, so beautiful, and honestly, unbelievably delicious.
You know, it's funny how the best dishes, the ones you really remember, are often the simplest. This recipe, it's the perfect example of that. Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. Let's get cooking. So, you might be wondering, what exactly does village style mean? Well, it comes from this really beautiful rustic Burmese tradition that's all about letting the main ingredients just shine. It's a method called tajin, and really, it's a grilling style that says no thank you to a long list of complicated spices. Instead, it's all about using the absolute basics to really celebrate the star of the show, which is, of course, the fish. It's simplicity at its absolute best.
And speaking of simple, let's get into the ingredients. You're going to be so surprised by how short this list is.
Okay, so here's what we're working with. We've got 3 beautiful pieces of rohu fish, but honestly, any firm white fish that you like will work perfectly. Then for our spices, it's this super simple but powerful little trio. Just some salt, a little bit of flavor powder, and look at this gorgeous, vibrant turmeric. We'll need a bit of cooking oil for the grill pan and some fresh cherry tomatoes for serving. Yep, that's the whole list.
All right, let's get to prepping. This part is so fast and easy. We're just going to whip up a beautiful golden marinade for our fish.
Okay, first step, and this one's super important. Make sure your fish is patted completely dry. This is the secret to getting that amazing crispy skin later. Then, it's as easy as mixing our salt, turmeric, and flavor powder together. Now just gently rub that gorgeous golden spice mix all over every part of the fish. You can see it just instantly transforms, taking on this beautiful sunny color.
Okay, our fish is looking beautiful and all seasoned up. Now for my absolute favorite part, getting it in the pan and hearing that sizzle. Let's get grilling.
So you're going to heat up your oil in a grill pan over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, carefully, very carefully, place the fish skin side down. Ah, there's that sound, that perfect sizzle. Now, this is key. For 3 minutes, don't move it. Don't poke it, just let it be. Trust me, the pan is doing all the work, and your kitchen is about to start smelling heavenly. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes, and I know you're so tempted to grab the spatula and flip it, right? But wait, hold on. This next tip is probably the most important part of the whole recipe. Here's the deal. Patience is your best friend right now. You need to let that skin get super crispy. It'll actually tell you when it's ready by releasing from the pan all by itself. If you try to force it and flip it too early, well, you're going to end up with broken pieces of fish. So just wait. It's the real secret to getting that perfect, beautiful fillet every single time. And when it's ready, you'll know. You can give it a gentle flip. Oh, just look at that golden brown, crispy skin. Perfection. Now the other side is super quick. It really only needs about 2 more minutes, and that's it. We're done.
Okay, this fish is absolutely perfect. The skin is so crispy and the inside is beautifully flaky. Now it's time to plate it up and make it look as incredible as it smells.
And we don't need anything complicated. Just some fresh cherry tomatoes. That burst of juicy, bright flavor is the perfect contrast to the savory, rich fish. It just balances everything out beautifully in every single bite. And just like that, it's ready to eat. A truly gorgeous restaurant-quality meal that you made with just a few ingredients and a few simple steps. How amazing is that?
You know, this is what this dish is all about. It's kind of a little taste of that village tradition right in your kitchen. It's simple, it's fragrant, it's perfectly cooked. Just warm, comforting food that makes you feel good.
So, if you love this recipe as much as I do, I would so appreciate it if you'd give this explainer a like and subscribe for more. We have so many more delicious stories to share from the Asian Food Diary.
Before you go, I have a question for you. What's that one simple dish that just instantly reminds you of home? I'd love to hear about it. Drop your food memories down in the comments. I really can't wait to read them.